Recovering deleted messages on Airbnb can be challenging, but there are steps you can take to try and retrieve them. Follow this guide to explore your options. Step 1. Check your email. Look through your email inbox for any notifications from Airbnb. Often, important messages or updates are sent via email, and you may find the information you need there. Step 2. Log into your Airbnb account. Access your Airbnb account by logging in on the website or app. Navigate to your messages section to see if any conversations are still available or if there are any archived messages. Step 3. Contact Airbnb support. If you cannot find the messages, reach out to Airbnb's customer support. Provide them with details about the messages you are trying to recover, and they may be able to assist you. Step 4. Check for backups. If you regularly back up your device or use a cloud service, check to see if you have any backups that might include the Airbnb app data. Restoring from a backup could potentially recover lost messages. Step 5. Review your device's message history. If you use Airbnb's messaging feature through a mobile app, check your device's message history or notification log. Sometimes recent messages may still be accessible through your device's settings. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages on Airbnb can be difficult, utilizing these steps may help you find what you're looking for. If all else fails, contacting support is your best option.